It's easy to repair damaged plastic electrical boxes without replacing the entire box. The Rayco 8988 RAC and 988 RAC plastic box repair clip provides an easy yet secure fix for stripped, loose, or worn-out boxes. For over 100 years, Hubbell Rayco produces innovative, high-quality electrical boxes, covers, and connectors. This strong metal clip features a patented design that repairs stripped screw holes to hold outlets and switches tight. It works on any type of plastic electrical box, no matter the thickness. You save time and money. Using the 8988 RAC is easy. Here's how. First, be sure to turn off the electrical power at the breaker box or load center. Once you confirm the power is off at the switch or outlet, remove the wall plate. Unscrew the electrical device and pull it away from the box. You don't need to unwire the device. Center the metal repair clip over the damaged hole, then firmly push it over the edge of the box. Be sure to push it all the way on. Our design sits and stays flush with the box, making it easy to align with the stripped hole. If the opening in the clip doesn't perfectly align, insert a flat blade screwdriver into the clip opening on the front. This allows you to easily slide it left or right to align the holes. Then, reattach the device. The strong metal clip holds the box and the switch or outlet securely. You don't have to worry about pulling the box out of the wall once the repair is made. Reattach the wall plate and turn the power back on. You're done! On your next electrical project, look for the Rayco brand to make easy, safe, and secure repairs or additions. Count on Hubbell Rayco for quality electrical products.